Howdy, everybody. Cousin Earl here, Montana Annex of the Wooden Shoe Motorsports. We got us a problem here. Well, this old pickup truck lights went out and the flashers don't flash, and I didn't see it a problem because I was coming home from the bar last night and the highway patrol stopped us saying, "You ain't got no lights." I said, "I don't need them. I'm too drunk to see anyway." However, here we are in the yard today after a little bit of, shall we say, state hotel. Well, what the hell, it's only my ninth. Anyway, I've been doing some delicate work here with some of these finest Craftsman tools. Got that at a garage sale for $1. It's only missing 2 of the damn things, maybe 3, and probably the one I want. But I have done some surgicals and taken this ashtray out, which I don't need much anymore because Mom just throws the cigarettes in the back seat. Well, I got to take this whole dashboard out to get to what I need to get to. So I've gone to the second bank of tools, which I prefer because they get the job done quick. So pretty soon I'm going to just start wailing away on that old dashboard. I got my sledge out because that's for fine work, and I got my pry bar out for anything that gets stuck. So you all stick with me while I get to her. I don't like that dashboard anyway, and that ashtray ain't worth a shit. Can't hold no beer. Oh, hey, there you are, Cousin Earl here. Well, I found out that this problem might be a little bit beyond my calculations, and the boys contacted them boys for a consult down at Wooden Shoe Motorsports, and they gave me an idea I had to pull that old dashboard out, and I'm not ready for that job today. I've been doing a great deal thinking about what I got to do and how I got to do it, and, well, I might have to wait a day or two until I sober up. Anyway, Cousin Earl here, I'll be back to you. Yeah. Okay, well, almost got her, just one more screw. I'll be with you in a minute. Oh, yeah. Ah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, whew. That there was a job, but I got her. Yeah. Anyway, now we're all hung up here. What the hell going on? I took a whole bunch of screws out. It should come off. Well, if I keep wiggling her, hold on. I'll get right back to you in a minute. Howdy, everybody. Cousin Earl here from Wooden Shoe Motorsports, Montana Annex. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, we got the job done. We got a flasher stuck in there. I got it out of an old Buick. I made her fit. You had to cut a couple of them little tab things off, but when I go and hit the turn indicators, the horn goes off. But that ain't no big deal. We'll get her done. Police know what I mean. Anyway, I got the dash back together. Couldn't figure out where all them screws went, so I got most of them in and a couple I had to fit. But as you can see, pretty fair job holding that lower panel on. Should stick except for the hot weather or if the kids start to playing with the little tabby things here. But remember, duct tape, the friend of all serial killers, and us good old backyard mechanics. Cousin Earl out.